My dear students of class 8th, a very delightful good morning to all of you. From previous videos, we have discussed about the rational numbers, and this exercise also belongs to the rational numbers. This is exercise 1B, in which we have to solve some problems related to addition, subtraction of the rational numbers. Here given first, add the following rational numbers: minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Simply, the denominator of these both rational numbers are 5. So LCM will be 5, and the numerator will be constantly add together. Minus 2 plus 4, that will be minus 2 plus 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 by 5. Same as observe question number B, minus 6 by 11 and minus 4 by 11. The denominators are also same for the both rational numbers, that is 11. So here 11 will be here we get LCM 11, and the numerator will be constant, minus 6 plus minus 4, minus 6 plus minus 4, minus 6 plus minus 4, that will be minus 10 by 11. Question number F for you. See question number F, that is given minus 7 by 15 and minus 1 by 15, in which we get also the denominators are 15 in both. So 15 will be here LCM, and constantly the numerator will be add together, that will be minus 17 plus minus 1, and it will be minus 18 by 15, that will the shortest form of 18 by, minus 18 by 15 will be minus 6 by 5. See question number 2, add the following rational numbers. In question number 1, we get the addition in which given rational numbers have same denominators, whereas in question number 2 we see the denominators of the rational numbers are given different. So observe here 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. Denominators are consecutively 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. Divide 20 by 4 5 times. 5 multiply 3, 15. Divide 20 by 5 4 times. 4 multiply minus 3, minus 12. 15 plus minus 12 will be 15 minus 12 by 20, that will be 3 by 20. And in such way all problems I have solved for you. Observe properly. Here see question number I, 0 plus minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 2 by 5. We know that when we add any rational number with 0, our sum will be 0. Question number 3, verify the following. We can verify it by two methods. First, to show the LHS and RHS are equal by solving, and to show the property of LHS and RHS are equal. See here, question number A, minus 12 plus 2 by 7 equal to 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 5. LHS left hand side from equal to, and RHS right hand side from equal to. From LHS, when it has solved, we get the answer minus 74 by 35, and from RHS, when we solve, we get also the answer minus 74 by 35. So LHS equal to RHS, verified. All questions I have solved for you. AB, for AB, this process is same. For C, here you may write in this way also to verify LHS RHS. Observe it properly. 3 plus 7 minus 7 by 12 equal to minus 7 by 12 plus 3. The above both parts are in commutative property of addition. In commutative property, we know that the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, and so LHS equal to RHS, verified. Very simple. Only we write this statement to verify this question. D, solve on the same method. Verify for all are solved on the basis of a statement of association. It means associative property of addition. 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 7 by 10 equal to 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Here associate 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 5, whereas here associate minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 10. Here out of association minus 7 by 10, and here out of association 3 by 4, but the rational numbers are not changed in LHS or in RHS as well. The above both parts are in associative property of addition, and so LHS equal to RHS, verified. Very simply we can write this statement and proved that LHS equal to RHS, verified. In such way, we have solved all the questions of question number 4. 5. Find the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse of 1 by 3. Additive inverse. It means when we add the rational number and the additive inverse of rational number, our sum will be 0. 1 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Additive inverse of 23 by 9 equal to minus 23 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 18 equal to 18. Additive inverse of minus 17 by 8 equal to 17 by 8. Additive inverse of minus 15 by minus 4 equal to 15 by 4. Additive inverse of minus 16 by minus 5. Here if you will observe, minus 16 by minus 5 will be positive, so the additive inverse of this will be minus 16 by 5. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 11 equal to 3 by 11. So additive inverse of 0 equal to 0. Additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 equal to 19 by 6. Additive inverse of minus 8 by minus 7. Observe minus minus plus. So this is positive and the negative for this number will be minus 8 by 7. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Here subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Take LCM 3 of 4, that will be 12. Divide 12 by 3. Here we get quotient 4. 4 into 1, 4. Again divide 12 by 4. That will be 3. It means quotient will be 3. 3 multiply minus 3 equal to minus 9. 4 by 4 minus 9 by 12. That will be minus 5 by 12. See, one example for consider it properly. G for you, minus 32 by 12 from minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5 minus 32 by 12. The LCM of 5, 12 will be 60. Divided 60 by 5, quotient will be 12. 12 minus 6 will be minus 72. Minus, again divided 60 by 12, that will be 5. Multiply minus 32 by 5, it will be minus 160. Here it will be minus 72, double minus, it will be plus 160 by 60. 160 minus 72, that will be 88 by 60. 88 by 60 will be divided, both divided by 4. 88 divided by 4, 22. 60 divided by 4, 15. So the form in short position, that will be 22 by 15. That is called a standard position also, 22 by 15. And all questions are solved for you in such way. 7. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum of. See here, using the rearrange property, we have 3 as a denominator, 5 as a denominator. So using the denominator which have same products, or we can say that which have same multiple. 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 5. Add together, we get 4 plus minus 2 by 3 plus, add together, we have 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Again, that will be 4 minus 2 by 3 plus 3 minus 11 by 5, that will be 2 by 3 plus minus 8 by 5. And here we get the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3, 5 times 5 multiplied to 10. 15 divided by 5, 3 times 3 multiply minus 8, minus 24. At last we get 10 minus 24 by 15. 10 minus 24, it means minus 14 by 15. In such way, I have solved all the problems for you. Here See question number C. Question number C, in which I have already made here 21, because here it is given a wrong number. You will all made it 11 by 21 and solved it. In such way, you may solve all the questions of question number D of 7. See question number 8. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of the number is minus 14 by 5, find the other. The other rational number. The other rational number equal to the sum of total number, the sum of two numbers minus given number. We can find out minus 2 minus 14 by 5 equal to LCM 5 divided by 1, 5 times 5 multiply minus 2 minus 10, 5 divided by 5 1 times minus 14 minus 10 plus 14 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. Question number 9. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 1 by 2. If one of the number is 5 by 6, find the other. In same condition, in same process, we can find out the numbers, other number will be minus 4 by 3. Question number 10. What number should be added to 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? It means minus 5 by 8. In minus 5 by 8, which number is to be added so that our answer will be minus 3 by 2? So required number equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 8, and in such way when we solve we get the answer 12 by 7. Minus 7 by 8. See question number 11. What number should be added to minus 1 so as to get 5 by 7? It means in minus 1, which number is to be added so that our answer will be 5 by 7? See required number 5 by 7 minus 1 equal to LCM here 7. 5 constantly remain here. Here 7 divided by 1, 7 times 7 minus 1 minus 7, 5 minus 7, it means 5 plus 7 by 7. Answer is 12 by 7. 12. What number should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 by 6? It means which number is to be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 by 6. My required number will be minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 equal to LCM 3 of 3 and 6 will be 6. 6 divided by 3 2 times 2 minus 2 2 times minus 4. 6 divided by 6 1 time minus 1 1 times minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 by 6, that will be minus 4 plus 1 by 6 equal to minus 3 by 6. Divided both numerator and denominator of this rational number by 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1 and 6 divided by 3 2. Here it will be minus 1 by 2. So we have discussed here all the problems what are given in exercise 1b. Again we will meet with next video. Thank you. Have a great day.